Hi, today we will see how to create drop caps, all right? For my entire body text, I have created one paragraph styles, all right? For drop caps, we need to create a separate paragraph styles, all right? So how do we do that? First of all, you have to come to the character styles, hold Alt and click on this plus icon. Then in the basic character formats, I'll rename it as drop cap. Font family, I'll select Helvetica. And in the tracking, I'll make it 30. I'll explain you later, all right? Hit OK. Now we will come to the paragraph styles. Now I'm going to copy this body paragraph styles. Why? Because I want all the values to be same. All right. So duplicate styles. Then you have to come here. Then I'll name it as. After this, you have to go to the drop caps and nested style. Then in the lines, make it 3. It means that drop cap extends across the 3 lines. All right. 1, 2, 3. And in the characters 1, then I'll make it drop cap. All right. After this, I'll hit OK. Then I'll select this and make this drop cap. All right. As you can see that it looks okay. And remember, we have, previously added 30 as a tracking. Why? Because I wanted to make the proper space between, drop caps and the body text. All right. Now, let's say I want a red box behind the drop cap. All right. So in order to do that, you have to come to the paragraph styles tab again, double click on your drop cap. By the way, I learned this technique from Gary Bradley. After that, you have to go to the underline options, then, select this option. And after this, I'm going to type 36 minus 16 and I'll make the color red. All right. After that, imagine if you want to, shift your, drop cap up or down. For that, you have to go to the advanced characters and, baseline shift. Right now, I'll add -1. I want little down. All right. It looks okay to me. All right. But there is a small problem. As you can see that this red box is, going little outwards. So how do we fix it? You have to go to the paragraph of styles, double click on it. And, you have to go to the drop caps and nested styles. Then you have to disable this align left edge. All right. Now, as you can see that this is completely fixed. All right. Thank you.